Well, welcome back, guys. I have a very interesting video for you two guys. We are going to be playing Phasmo, but on the hardest difficulty. Ghost will hide one type of evidence. The ghost room will sometimes change. No setup time. Short hunt grace period. Long hunt duration. Kills increase hunt duration. Sanity pills restore much less sanity. Fuse box starts off. Almost no hiding places. This is going to be difficult. Hope you guys are ready. Strap yourselves in and let's get to it, shall we? Just guys, let you know, I played 2 other games before I decided to do this challenge. 3, I believe. No, yeah. Yeah. So I have basically 2 games of practice. And I am very, very, very scared of what is about to happen. Okay. I got my strong flashlight, I believe. It is this one. Ooh. Hold on, let me compare the 2. Why can I only have one flashlight? Oh, yeah, no, this one's much better. No. Gimme.
Know your fucking place, trash.
Gimme this one, yeah. Big boy. Fingerprints, yes. Gotta start with the fingerprints. I wish in single player you'd be able to carry more shit. We are quickly going to make our way. That is not good that it's already open. Where's the thing? Where's the... Oh god. This isn't good. I severely underestimated how difficult this is gonna be. Oh god, no. No. Every room in this house is open already. Yeah, guys. I'm most likely gonna die. So this is the first time that I'm going to show that I'm going to die. Because I haven't died before because I was playing it on easy. So I should not run. I should actually save my stamina. So yeah. Come on, cold temperatures. So I'm very most likely gonna lose this one. I'm just letting you guys know. Where? Why can't I find any evidence? Come on, cold room. Don't close on me, piece of shit. Did you guys see that? You gotta close on me. I don't think that's cold temperatures. I'm gonna use 2 because, yeah, Giga Chat now I can afford 2. Oh god, that's not good. I'm a professional. Give me a second. I'm a great ghost hunter. Place it. Place, thank you. Ghost orbs, looking for some ghost orbs. I love how I can place my hand through the wall. Shannon, am I in danger? I don't think the spirit box is going. Oh god, no! Nope. Thank you for the video. Well, thank you guys for watching. I can't do this. I nearly all fought. Like, I nearly did.
We a skank in the rave, run with coke, no.
Every demon ghost hates a cross, right? Keep that open. If I... Oh! No! Stay inside. You know what I never tried throwing the cross inside. So hopefully that's gonna keep the demon out. Shannon, are you friendly? No! 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 Open! Open the door!
Anh em chết.
We a skank in the rave. Run with coke, no champs in the rave. Crowd go mad with the baseline drops. It's a vibes in ting, no skank in the rave. We a skank in the rave.